Want to start calling your leads automatically with Calley? The first step is loading your leads into the Calley web panel, and this video shows you exactly how. Loading your leads means uploading your contact list into Calley so it's ready for auto-dialing. You upload your lead file, map the fields, and Calley prepares your calling list. Open your browser and log into the Calley web panel. From the dashboard, go to the Call List section and click Add using Standard Import or Power Import, depending on your plan. Select your file in XLS, XLSX, or CSV format, making sure it includes names and phone numbers. After uploading, map the columns to Calley's fields and confirm the import. Your leads are now added to the panel and ready to be called. To continue, use the links below to access step-by-step getting started guides for each part of the process. Follow the guide that fits your setup and start calling with Calley today.